Hello friends, wish you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Welcome to the next strategy of two-day relationship is the overlapping lower value relationship, which occurs when the current day pivot range, that is CPR, is lower than the previous day's range but overlaps to a degree. That is, the current day's bottom central pivot range is lower than the bottom of the period day's range, but the top of the current day's range is higher than the bottom of the period day's range. This relationship indicates a moderately bearish outlook for the forthcoming session. That is, if price opens within or below the pivot range, price should continue to auction lower. Any pullback to the range should be seen as a selling opportunity. There are total of 7 two-day CPR relationship strategy. This is the fourth one. If you are learning something from this video and it is helpful to you, and for such more videos, then subscribe to this channel and like and share this video. Let us take a recap of third strategy, that is lower value relationship of two-day CPR. The lower value relationship of two-day CPR indicates the upcoming session of the market will be bearish and it can be bullish with a different setup. If you want to know more about this strategy, then search the video as Pivot Power CPR relationship. Let us go for the details of the overlapping lower value relationship strategy. In this strategy, the current day CPR is below the previous day CPR, but the current day top CPR is above the previous day bottom CPR, and current day bottom CPR is below the previous day CPR. We'll discuss and explain more about this with the help of chart. Let's go for the chart. Take a look at the chart, which is a 5-minute chart of Bank Nifty in 28th October and 29th October 2020. It shows a clearly overlapping lower value relationship. Okay, see the chart. The current day, this is the current day CPR. The current day CPR, that is the 29th October CPR, is below the previous day CPR. Okay, this is the previous day CPR. This is the current day CPR. Previous day CPR is the 29th October and current day CPR is 28th October 2020. This is the Bank Nifty chart. Okay, it is clearly shows that the previous day CPR is above the current day CPR. Means the current day CPR is below the previous day CPR, but the current day CPR is overlapped some extent, some degree. See here, it is overlapped some degree. This is the previous day bottom CPR. This is the current day top CPR. Current day top CPR is above the previous day bottom CPR. So it is overlapped. Okay, then let's go for the strategy. What is the strategy here? The main thing, the strategy is that when price open below the previous day closing price, this is the previous day closing price. Okay, it is open the previous day closing price, then and it is somewhat gap down. Okay, then you only think for sell short, because this will be moderately bearish, not fully bearish, but it is moderately bearish view. Then you don't take any buy call, you should think only for sell call. Okay, the strategy here is, when you sell, you have to sell when the price pull back to this CPR, near to CPR or CPR. See here, this and here, you only think when the price pull back to near to CPR. Here price open, today's price open here. Don't take any sell call here or buy call. When price come near to the CPR, see here, this is a pin bar, okay, and it is a bearish candle. Then you short here, okay. You can short only this position, and your stop loss should be above this first candle here. Your stop loss should be here. See, above this candle, and your target should be next. This is the previous day low, and your target should be here, previous day low. Okay, that is, you see the risk reward. You can also check the risk reward. Your position should be start here, and the risk reward should be, and target should be here. This is 2.77. Okay, that is more than 1 is to 2 risk reward. Then you can take the call. Okay, always check the risk reward, and your entry should be in the only on pullback. When you sell, your entry should be on the pullback, and when you buy, then your entry should be at the pullback on the rip. Okay, uh, when you sell, your entry should be in the rip, and when you buy, your entry should be in the dip. Okay, it is the rip position. Okay, next go for the next selling call. Your next sell call, you don't buy here because it is a bear, it should be a bearish day. Then you search for the next selling call. Where is the next selling? The price move to this extent. Okay, this extent, and move to the this extent. This is a rip position. When you sell, you only search for rip position, and the price pull back to the near to CPR. This is the CPR, the price come back to the CPR, and you search for where is the pin bar. See, here is the pin bar. Okay, after showing the pin bar, then you think for short sell, think for short or sell. Then you have to sell here, sell this position. You have to sell only this position you have to sell, and your target should be to the next resistance level. This is the next here. This is the R1 or resistance level or support level. You think this is the S1 support. Okay, go to next resistance level. Then you have to also calculate the, see, the entry should be here. See, here the risk value is more than 5, 1 is to 5. Then it is a good call you have to take. You have to, the strategy, you have to think only on pullback to the CPR level in the lower value overlap strategy. This is the strategy you can follow, and you have, you, you have to earn more money from this strategy, you have to first backtest this strategy and then take your own decision to sell or buy. Just call. Okay. Thank you guys. We'll see in the next video. Thank you. Bye.